Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today, Solvetic, we will see how to change the color profile of your monitor in Windows 10 to optimize the way you see all the content. To begin with, you must know the type of motherboard of your PC. To do this, click on the Start menu. Then look for the word MS-Info32, and in the results that are shown, click on the System Information. In the window that opens, you should locate the line called Motherboard Manufacturer, and also look at the line Motherboard Product for more complete details. Now open your favorite browser and search according to the model of your motherboard and your monitor the color profile you need. There, you must click on the download button on the page. After the download is complete, in File Explorer you go directly to the folder where it was downloaded. In it, you must right-click on the file you just downloaded and choose the option Extract All. Select where the files will be extracted and wait for it to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, in the folder validates that the profile configuration file exists where the IICM extension will be. In case you don't see the extension, just click on the View menu and then check the Show File Extensions box. Now it's time to set up the new color profile for your display in Windows 10. To achieve this, in the search box of the Start menu, you will enter the word Color. In the results that appear, click on Color Management. In this window, you will go to the top, and in the device line, you must choose the current monitor of your PC. You also need to check the Use My Settings for this device checkbox. After this, click on the Add button to add it. In this new window, you will click on Browse and locate the ICM.dot file that we saw earlier. After this, click on Add. This will have changed the color profile of your monitor in Windows 10. If for some reason you want to have the default color profile again, you will look in the Start menu for the word Color. In the displayed results, click on Color Management. At the top, select your current monitor in the device line. After this, you will click on the Profiles button, and there you will click on Restore My Settings to the system defaults. This will use the default method in Windows 10, and you can close the window. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.